Bum, bum, bum.
A stack is a linear data structure that follows the principle of last. In first out LIFO, this means the last element inserted inside. The stack is removed first. You can think of the stack data structure as the pile of plates on top of another.
In computer science, a stack is a data structure that follows the LIFO principles. Think of it as a stack of books. Now in these stacks, the only element that can be accessed is the topmost element. Now if you want to add a book, then you have to add it on the top of the stack. If you want to remove a book, the topmost element should be removed. Let's say if you want to access the third book, in this particular stack, we have to remove the first two elements to access it.
In this scenario, there's a bunch of chairs. As you can see, I stack the chairs from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order.
If we need the third chair, we need to remove first the last chair we added, then the second to the last chair we added.
So in this scenario, we will assume that Alan, the driver, is the data 1 and I, the passenger, is the data 2. As you can see, Alan should get in the vehicle first before I.
One hour later.
As we follow the principle of stack, I, the passenger, should get off the vehicle first before Alan.
So this is example of QA. First you need to put a water in the pot and queue it until it boil. Never naman tayong lots boy. Cut ba lang? So sila po nag-iintay na may lagay. Ito po ang video na hindi lang pinag-isipan sa inyong naisip lang bigla. Andito po si Stranger ang kaso naman. Yung daramang ko. Klaro po ang magkakaroon na hindi ko ito next video. Kaya naman po nilagay na ng tubig. Coke na kulay puti. Ito na. Tagal ko muna. Mamaya na panira ako sa video. Step by step ko sa ilawad mami. Buksan! Buksan ang video. Ngayon po, hintayin po natin yung kumulo. Mas mauna pa kumulo ang aking pag-okay sa bibig. Po yun, nasigaling pangat na sa nestry. Magsisimula na maghalo si madam. Magaling madam ko ay pamira ka sa bilang ko. Documentation eh. Ito pa niya. Ito na tubig ko. At yan, ganito yung tubig. Naputol. Nakulo na to. Oh wow. Yo. Nailagay na po. Ayan na. Hindi na pinutol ni Kare. Nga na. Di na magkasya sapat. Nakalutang din. Isang side. Sigurado. Open eh. Yung po para. Ayan na po si Alin na dumali. Tumali. Sheesh. Nag-stretching pa. Sige. Balagbagin. Wow, karga. Yung na, ang sakit po. May commercial, may salt papi. Kompleto. Wow. May pasal papi si Idolo. At ayan na ang sauce. Nawisikan. Uy, baliktaran nyo ang sukan to. Mahap ko ba yan? Hindi nga, no, matagas pa sa taas. Yung nasa larang. Alam mo yun na. Ito po ang tamang pagluto ng pasikan to.
Rule.
No daw reaction naman daw pag pinasa edad eh. Pataling ngete. May commercial pa. Lucky me. Ano, naghahanap po ako nasan si Erwin Argeoso. Nagbibideo po. Ito po. Wait lang. Ito po. Yan. Hintay na lang po tayo at tayo mga kasiba na. Amen.
Yun na.
Yan na po. Tulungan din dalawa. Pwede naman sa. Kung meron po kayong strainer sa bahay, huwag na po kayo magpaka-aerob gaya ng ginagawa ng dalawang to. Kayo po yung strainer ron nasa taas ni Kare. Yun lang. Ewan ko nung pinagagawa ng mga to. Nalin. Wait lang. Nagdadamit na.
Siya naman.
Step 1. Sheesh. May sabang papagay na eh.
Ang ganda mo na yung unahan. Yan. Lagyan doon na sila. Ako ba ito?
Wow, siguro.
Ikat mo na yung atin. Dapat ka din. Para doon kaya natin sa tindahan. Hindi ka nagdara. Mga 30 ang gamit pa. 20 labing 20.
Ay, so, pansit kanton.
Commercial is brought to you by Pansit Canton. Lucky me.
Game attack. While talagang tama ng Lucky Me Pancit Canton Extra Hot Chili.
May anghang swabe ang pasok, pero malupit ang agod.
Again, attack! Lucky Me Pancit Canton Extra Hot Chili.
Wild ito!
Kung extra hot ang trip mo,
Eto sa'yo. Wild ito!
A queue is defined as a linear data structure that is open at both ends, and the operations are performed in first in, first out FIFO order. We define a queue to be a list in, which all additions to the list are made at one end and all deletions from the list are made at the other. And the element which is first pushed into the order of the operation is first performed on that.
Here's what we use to represent our queue. We start with an empty queue and insert the element 1. It's added at the back, but because the queue is empty, it is the first in line. We will insert the element at the back of the queue and remove them from the front. Let's add a few more elements, 2 and 3. We notice 2 and 3 are added at the back behind the element 1. We dequeue our first element, removing 1, which was the first element added to the queue. This allows us to enqueue and dequeue in constant time. This allows us to enqueue and dequeue in constant time. And let the rest of the example play without voiceover.